Muling nakilala ang Pilipinas bilang isa sa magandang tourist destination sa buong mundo. Talaga nga namang you love the Philippines dahil humakot ang Pilipinas ng 8 parangal mula sa 31st Annual World Travel Awards. Pinarangalan ng Pilipinas bilang Asia's leading destination pagdating sa diving, mga beach at mga isla. Partikular naman na kinilala ang Boracay bilang Asia's leading luxury island destination. Asia's leading wedding destination naman ang nakamit ng Cebu. Ang Intramuros naman sa Maynila ay pinarangalan bilang Asia's leading tourist destination. Bukod pa rito, kinilala rin ang Love the Philippines na kasalukuyang slogan ng Department of Tourism bilang Asia's leading marketing campaign.
This is extremely important as a vote of confidence from the global travel community in the Philippines. And these awards are truly an affirmation of the Marcos administration's drive towards tourism transformation into a tourism powerhouse.
Pinarangalan rin si Tourism Secretary Frasco ng Transformational Leader Award in Tourism Governance.
Very unexpected. I have seen the pain that was caused by the pandemic and various other calamities. That is what drives us to make sure that tourism contributes as much as it can, uplifting the quality of life of our fellow Filipinos and to providing opportunities to ascend in terms of their state in life.
Ito ang ika-4 na batch ng pagpaparangal ng World Travel Awards kung saan pinakaunang pagkakataon na naging host country ang Pilipinas. Dahil dito, kumpiyansa umano ang Tourism Department na tanda ito ng kakayahan ng Pilipinas na mag-host ng mga global events. Francis Reudique, nag-uulat para sa One Media Network.